And here we are, we're about to put the sight on. So, I think one of the first things that's pretty important is to make sure that you have all the tools that you need. I have my Allen wrenches that I need for the screws that I have. As you can see, I already took my quiver off. Now I'm going to take the bracket for the quiver off, which is pretty easy. So just take this off. Set that over here. I have to excuse my shop. I'm in the middle of renovating, so I'm kind of everywhere. I'm going to go ahead and loosen these bracket screws that hold the actual sight to the bow. Voila. Now my sight is off. I want to make sure I keep all that hardware together so I don't lose it. We'll need this quiver attachment later. Okay, so now we have the sight, and we need to assemble some portions here. For instance, the sight housing with the wheel of death, they like to call it. So as you can see, there's a little dovetail there, and I'm going to slide this piece in here just like so. Then I'm going to tighten that down so it doesn't go anywhere. There's a little screw inside here. Yeah, Allen wrench. You just snug it up a bit. Now it won't move. Bam. And this right here is actually your lock for your dial. So once you dial to where you want, you just turn that down, you lock it. Bam. So now that's not moving anywhere. That's good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the bracket, the mounting bracket, onto the bow. Pretty easy. You don't want to reef down on these too much because you don't want to strip your screws out, but you do want them